Hi guys, so this is like an extension of my study tips video, so part 2. Another one of my really big study tips is to study in groups. I cannot express how beneficial this is because for me, I need to like talk about concepts in order to properly understand them. So being in like a study group, you can just sit down and like interact with your peers, see their viewpoints and compare it with yours and see if you guys agree, disagree. And just it helps to create a more holistic viewpoint of the topic, and it helps you to just understand it a lot better in that sense. Another really big study tip that I have is to go into studying with a good mindset. If you go in with a negative one, you're just going to be overall like less motivated, and you're not going to like see the stuff that you actually do understand. You're just going to be trying to cram in all this information that you don't necessarily need to do. So going in with a good mindset helps keep your motivation up and helps you see the material from a better perspective where you're like, I understand this, I don't need to study this as much. I don't understand this, I really need to study this. Another tip that I have is to go to your professor's office hours or just interact with your professors in general. Professors at DePaul specifically are very open to helping you, and they want to help you. It's all just a matter of reaching out. And as intimidating as office hours seem, they really aren't. And they're a really good way to just like have a one-on-one session with your professor to like kind of talk about some things. But if there's a scheduling conflict or something, just still reach out through email, questions in class, questions out of class. It just interacting with your professor helps you create a more like concrete understanding of the material. Finally, I recommend not cramming and studying before like, let's say an hour or two before your test. You're just going to end up forgetting the material. Trust me, I have shared this tip with other like students and they have also agreed. It's just a whole lot more beneficial if you just like go in clean slate and just go, because if you're cramming, it'll give you too much anxiety that you don't need right before an exam. So I hope those tips help you as much as they have helped me, and let me know if you guys have any questions.